If you want ChatGPT to give you more in-depth and well-sourced answers, there's a built-in deep research feature that can help. It's quick to turn on. First, open the ChatGPT app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. At the bottom of the screen, find the message bar. This is where you normally type your prompt or question. Go ahead and type what you want to ask, but don't press send yet. Look closely to the left of the message bar. You'll see a small photo or media icon. Tap it. This will open up a set of extra tools and features. Among the options that appear, select Deep Research. Once you choose it, you'll notice a small label or tag appear above your typed prompt, confirming that Deep Research is active. This label is important. It means that when you send your message, ChatGPT will use its extended research capabilities to gather more complete and up-to-date results for you. Now simply tap the send button. ChatGPT will process your query with deep research turned on, and the response you get will be based on broader sources and fresher data than the standard mode. From now on, you can activate deep research anytime you want extra depth in your answers. Just repeat these steps.